Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best kids' soft lunchbox on the market. The CaCTOUR Premium Insulated Lunchbox for girls and boys. If you're searching for a durable, insulated, and practical lunch bag that kids can easily carry to school, daycare, or even on picnics, this could be exactly what you need. The CaCTOUR Lunchbox measures 7.9 inches long, 3.9 inches wide, and 9.5 inches high, making it the perfect size to hold an entire meal along with snacks and a drink. Thanks to its spacious interior, it can easily fit 2 bento boxes or multiple containers, giving your child enough room to carry a balanced and fresh lunch every day. One of the standout features of this lunch bag is its premium insulation. Made from a combination of 600D rip-resistant Oxford fabric, PEVA lining, and ultra-thick foam, the bag keeps food warm or cold for several hours. This means your child's lunch stays fresh and at the right temperature from home until lunchtime, whether it's warm soup or chilled fruit. The exterior is designed to be waterproof and easy to clean. You can simply wipe it down or hand wash it, keeping the lunchbox looking neat even after repeated use. The material is durable enough to withstand rough handling by kids, so it holds up well through daily use. CaCTOUR has also thought about convenience in the design. The lunchbox features a double zipper that adds sturdiness and ensures easy access to the main compartment. Inside, you'll find multiple pockets including an internal mesh pocket to organize snacks, and side mesh pockets perfect for holding water bottles or juice boxes. This organization helps kids keep their lunch items separate and easy to find. For portability, this lunch bag includes a detachable buckle handle that can be attached to a backpack or suitcase, making it easy for kids to carry it along or for parents to clip it to other bags. The lightweight design at just 6.4 ounces ensures it's not bulky or heavy for little hands. The lunch bag's simple solid color and classic rectangular prism shape make it a stylish choice that suits both boys and girls. It's designed to be functional without compromising on looks, so kids will enjoy carrying it to school or outings. CaCTOUR, a brand with a passion for innovative and quality products, has crafted this lunch bag with attention to detail. Their focus on durability, insulation, and user-friendly features means this bag is built to last and provide excellent value. Whether you're packing lunch for school, daycare, picnics, or even the office, this insulated lunch bag offers a reliable way to keep meals fresh, organized, and easy to carry. It's an ideal choice for parents looking for a thermal insulated, leak-resistant, and easy-to-clean lunch bag that kids will love. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want a dependable lunch bag that combines practicality, durability, and style, the CaCTOUR Premium Insulated Lunchbox is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.